Okay.
Alright. What's going on, y'all? Captain Namco here. So we just got this. It's a Pulsar. It's a 2022 model. Now,
Brand new.
It's brand new, but it hadn't been started
In a year.
So I'm going to make sure it's not seized up before I prime it. Okay, that's good. Got high compression.
You gotta. Oh, okay.
First start in here.
Yeah. Good job. Works. Woohoo! Okay. Alrighty.
Now let's see if this piece of crap will start, because we're going to tag team this.
Are you kidding me?
What?
You're gonna use both of them?
Now it's going to get done faster.
True. Need to make sure there's enough gas in both.
There's gas in it enough to see if it'll start. If it starts, then we'll add more to it.
Nope. Wait.
Almost.
Hold on.
No.
Here.
I think it's locked up.
Go.
Mom, you need to get up off the full string here. Now this is done. Okay, now we can
Okay.
put gas in balls. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Before I go, just want to remind you guys that Jesus loves you and God bless.